Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Discord password if you forgot it on mobile. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. What you have to do is to open your profile on Discord, tap on the gear icon to open settings, then tap on accounts. You can then click on password, and you can reset your password by entering the previous password and new password here. Now, if you don't know your previous password, don't log out because that's gonna mess things up. What you have to do is to go back on the account section and notice what email you have logged in here with. You can also go to phone and add a phone number, an extra layer of security. Now open a web browser and go to Discord. Here what you have to do is to log in. But if you can't log in, then you have to tap on the three dots icon and tap Show Desktop Site. Once you get to the Discord login, you need to enter your email and then tap on Forget Your Password. Once you have done that, they're going to send you a Discord code on your Gmail. Open your Gmail app and send that email. Here click on the Reset Password button. And just like that, here you will have a new option for new password. Once you enter a new password here, tap on Change Password and that should do the job. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Instant Nerd.